This is a large English transferware platter that was broken in half. We've applied the internal staples, and now we have beveled the crack so that it's uniform to take the milliput. Milliput is pressed in there really tight with a tool similar to this. This is made from a toothbrush, but it has a flexibility about it. So you pick up the milliput and pressure it down in there real tight. And then there's very little to sand. That's an example of a sanded piece, sanded section. And the same thing is done on the other side. And it's structurally sound, and it will be seamless, invisible repair. Or we hope.
Be sure to check out the link in the description for information on our step-by-step tutorials, available on a USB flash drive. Stain removal, structural repair, filling chips, painting and more is explained in detail.